Taken quickly after eating toxins, it adsorbs and neutralizes them. Colobus are vegetarians, and they like nothing better than young leaves and unripe fruit, which they eat with gusto, getting all the vitamins and carbs they need. But for her family to grow big and strong, they also need protein. And there's one tree that has it in abundance. The mango. Its young leaves are 20% protein, but eating them comes at a cost. They are laced with poison. Like all good mums, she knows how to make it better. It may not look like much, but charcoal is an inspired remedy. Taken quickly after eating toxins, it adsorbs and neutralizes them. In human medicine, we use charcoal to treat poisoning. But colobus are the only primates clever enough to have figured this out for themselves. And they've unlocked a protein-rich feast that's off the menu for most.